Let me get something off my chest real quick. Somali social media is going crazy right now, like completely off the rails. It's like everyone heard the same message: do whatever it takes to get attention. And now that's all it's about. You go on TikTok or you go on Facebook, what do you see? Trash talk, fake beefs, fighting with other influencers just to stay relevant, disrespecting elders, exposing fake drama for views, and we call that content. This isn't creativity, this is chaos. And what's worse, it's working. The worse the behavior, the more views it gets. So now people feel like they have to act wild just to grow. But me, I don't want to win like that. I want to find another way, a better way, to make money on social media without selling out, to speak on things that actually matter, things that need awareness, things that can actually help someone. Because views fade, but value lasts. So I'll take the slow road if I have to, as long as it's real.